everyone, today I will introduce our high and low temperature electronic universal testing machine with the video extensometer. This unit is equipped with a large temperature range environmental test chamber, which can be used for tension, compression, bending test of the variety of samples. The electric furnace system consists of the environmental box, temperature control and measurement display system, heating system, refrigeration system, temperature measurement components, and etc. The chamber body adopts a large front door structure and has an observation window, which can work together with our non-contact video extensometer for the elongation test. High-quality sealing material and sealing structure are used between the door and the door frame, with the good sealing and anti-aging properties. Our high-temperature heating system adopts the high-temperature alloy heating tube, with the high oxidation resistance, high safety, and long service life. The refrigeration unit is an independent box, and the refrigeration unit is connected with the box with the refrigeration hose. The design adopts the two-stage 4-pair cooled unit. Video extensometer is an optical non-contact type deformation measuring system based on the DIC method.
Open the protective. Adjust the fixture to the appropriate position using the manual control box. Pull out the bolts, adjust the upper and lower clamps. Use the hand control box to lower the clamp to the test height. Press the upper clamp handle to clamp the upper end of the sample. Lower the upper clamp again, press the manual lower clamp handle to clamp the lower end of the sample. Close the protective door. Switch to the high temperature chamber operation interface and set the heating temperature. Click there and startanting. Heating completes. Adjust the position of probe again. Open Max Test software. Set the test speed and click the Start button to perform the tensile test. Open Alpha software and click the Start button to start recording. When the test is completed, click the Stop button of Alpha and Max Test to stop the test. Print the test report.